Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest on a Dell Chromebook 5190. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to pry apart bottom base. Now remove battery screws. Then remove brackets and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Now unscrew and disconnect bracket and display cable. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Next, unscrew and remove bracket. Then remove speakers. Next, unscrew and remove bracket. Then unscrew and remove input-output board. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Now unscrew and remove touchpad. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.